Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you see or check the transaction history on Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet, and after opening the Trust Wallet, simply unlock it with your biometrics or passcode. Now, after unlocking the application, you will be prompted to the home page. Now you just simply have to select this history button right here, and you can see all of your transactions into Trust Wallet in this history section. As you can see here, I haven't done any transaction yet, but if I have any transactions in the future, I'll get to see all of those into here. Or you can also change the networks from top here. Just simply select any of the networks that you would like to check specifically, and your results will be available. This way, you can easily check your transaction history in Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.